Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. Today we have a slight risk of severe weather across portions of the eastern Ohio Valley, the Mid-Atlantic, and western areas of the Northeast in the yellow. We have a marginal risk surrounding that in the dark green area. We also have a marginal risk of severe weather today across portions of southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma, as well as portions of central and southern California. Looking at today's tornado threat, we have a 2% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location across portions of central Pennsylvania, much of Maryland, northeastern Virginia, far northeastern West Virginia, and far southern New York. So make sure you're ready for an isolated tornado if you live in this green shade area today, including Washington, D.C. Looking at today's damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location in this yellow shaded area today, a 5% chance in this brown shaded area surrounding that. We also have a 5% wind risk in the brown area across portions of southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma, and across southern and central California, we also have a 5% chance of damaging winds. And then looking at the hail, we have a 15% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the small yellow shade area across portions of Pennsylvania, Maryland, northern Virginia, and northeastern West Virginia in the yellow. A 5% chance surrounding that in the brown area. Another 5% chance across Kansas and Oklahoma as well. Now, timing out the storms, beginning around 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, we're going to start to see some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms develop across portions of Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and New York State. And as we head into the afternoon, the storms will become much more numerous by about 5 o'clock. Much of central Pennsylvania, western Maryland, down to central northern Virginia is going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorms with isolated large hail and damaging winds. And as we head into 6 to 7 p.m., look at this. Storm coverage is really going to ramp up across much of the Mid-Atlantic, as well as parts of Pennsylvania and New York, with widespread showers and thunderstorms by about 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. And we could be seeing embedded areas of damaging winds and large hail with this, and even isolated tornado. And going into about 9 p.m. through about midnight, the severe threat's going to weaken, but we're going to continue to see widespread rain across these areas in the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast all the way into Thursday morning. So taking a look at our total rainfall accumulations, many of these areas across the Delmarva in Pennsylvania and New York State could be seeing 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 18 to 24 hours, with isolated locations seeing 3 to even 5 inches of rain. So we could be seeing a little bit of a flooding threat, as indicated by the Weather Prediction Center's flooding risk. They've put a slight risk extending from western New York State through northern Virginia in the yellow, and a larger marginal risk surrounding that in the dark green of excessive flooding rainfall for today. We also have a marginal risk across portions of Kansas and Oklahoma, and we also have a slight risk of excessive flooding rainfall across portions of New Mexico and Colorado due to the monsoon rains ramping up and falling on pretty dry soil. So if you're in the Southwest, look out for some flooding as well. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you prepare for severe weather if you live in the shaded areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.